Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I'm Cheraye. Welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back, and thank you so much for being here. You guys, I am not going to even try and hide my excitement, contain my excitement. I just can't, okay? I am super excited. I'm sure you read the title. We are here for a double unboxing from Louis Vuitton. My absolute, oh, it's not my favorite. From Louis Vuitton, but it's getting up there. I mean, Louis Vuitton, you are doing something to me, okay? You know I'm a Chanel girl, but every time I look for the stuff in Chanel, they are always sold out. Okay, we're not here for that. You guys, I do digress a lot, okay? And I'm very chatty. I do like to talk a lot, and I do talk fast. Anyways, here on this channel, I do cover fashion, beauty, luxury, and lifestyle. So if you like any of those things or all of those things, I love for you to hit that subscribe button. If you want to ensure that you never miss a video, I'd love for you to hit the bell. Every time a video is placed on this channel, there will be a notification that gets sent to you. Okay, without further ado, let's get into this, because I have no patience. Every time I watch these videos, I'm like, okay, girl, open it, open it, open it. You guys, I have a little bit of a story. That's another thing. If it's your first time to the channel, I am a storyteller. So I thought long and hard about the bag that I'm getting ready to show you, because this is a bag unboxing. And it just, I could not get it out of my head. It moved me, I stuck with it. I've already took it out of the box to save us some time. Receipts here, proof of purchase, whatever you call it, that's there. But I thought long and hard. My initial bag of choice, can I call it my unicorn? I think I already have my unicorn bag. No, I have my dream bag. So maybe that pearl bag from Chanel would have been my unicorn bag. However, I could not physically go into a store and purchase it because they were sold out everywhere. I did have some people try and DM me and slide through and send it that way. And after I told you my last story, that happened. I'm not doing that. So my husband's like, if it's mint, it'll come back around, you'll get it, but for now, well, what are you gonna get? What are you gonna get? So I'm like, oh my God, I don't know. So I went to every store, you guys, every place that I even thought I wanted a bag from, every single place, including Chanel. I went back there and I looked at all the other bags because I am starting to fall in love with the boy bag. Okay, stay with me. I am starting to fall back in love with, well, I've never liked the boy bag, but I am starting to like the boy bag. But out of all the bags, this is the bag I went with. Are you ready? If you think you know what it is, because I've showed it before many times and I've played with it, I just didn't buy it. But this time I went in, I actually got it, and I'm super excited. So if you think you know what it is, go ahead and put it in the comment section below. Just comment what you think it is, just for fun. Okay, so here it is. I'm not gonna be, I've already rambled enough. Well, actually, I had to give you a little bit of backstory so you knew where we were going. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so let's throw that over there. Love these boxes, magnetic. It's gonna work for something in my life. So it looks like this. You know what it is? You know what it is? My heart's beating. Why is my heart beating fast? Because I'm excited. All right, you guys, this is it. Comes with the dust bag, and ta-da! This is it. I don't know why we all say that. Ta-da! Oh my God, I love it. I just do. My heart's beating fast. You know how you don't have your heart set, like ready yet, like you have it? I've had this bag for a while, you guys. I just hadn't had time to do an unboxing on it, a proper one. So I wanted to wait till the time was right. But I couldn't wait anymore. I was ready to carry it. I was ready to get it out of that box and onto my shoulders. It could be worn as a crossbody. You guys have seen this bag. It's nothing new. A little bit about me, if you're new to the channel, is I am a very classic, timeless type gal. However, I have pretty much completed my collection with timeless bags. So, but I just can't go complete trend, because that's just not who I am, and I always want things to last. I never plan on getting rid of them. Whatever I purchase, I plan on keeping them. So in order to stay true to me, but still try and add a little bit of complexity and versatility in my collection, I thought I'd go with something that was timeless, elegant, classic, chic, sophisticated, can be used as a nighttime bag, a daytime bag, can be used casual, can be used dressy. It is a classic bag, but it's yet trendy. You know what I mean? So I think I'm getting the best of both worlds, and that's how I particularly like to shop for my bags. I love it. I'm gonna come back, you guys, of course, and I'm gonna do a what fits in my bag. I'm also going to do a oh my God, what fits in my bag and a bag review. I know all about the stories on these corners here that people tell you about, how they get scratched, how they get nicked. I really take really good care of my stuff, so I'm not really concerned about that. And I was just in love. There was nothing else that made my heart beat the way that it beat when I seen this bag, other than the pearl bag, and I wasn't getting that. I couldn't sit and wait my whole life for it. So this was the second runner up. I had my heart set on a yellow bag. I had my heart set on a pink bag. However, nothing jumped out at me enough to buy. There were a lot of beautiful bags like that, but just to make that commitment, I didn't know how I was gonna feel about that and that price tag in about 4 or 5 years from now. This I know I will still love. This I know I will still be head over heels with. It's the Petite Petite Mal, okay? It means little trunk. It's historic. It's something from the history of the collection of the brand of Louis Vuitton. So it was a no-brainer. You know, if I had to choose, like I said, my first runner-up would have been the Chanel bag. However, it wasn't there. And then this bag would have definitely been my second runner-up. And so I got it. I was always gonna plan on getting this. I just wasn't gonna get it in this order. However, I guess God said, yes, you are, because here it is, and the pearl bag is nowhere to be found. So you guys, I am super excited. It has the leather here. I'm not gonna even pretend I know a whole lot about it. I have just checking it out the bag. I am seeing it the first time, just like you are. I went in, I played with it. I made sure that my stuff was able to fit in there. I don't carry a whole lot, so we'll dive deeper into that when I come back for a review and of what fits in my bag. But this is the bag that I went with, and I am super excited. It's completely gorgeous. It's classic. It is everything that I embody. It is everything that I am, and it's so stylish and it's so chic, and it comes with all this little stuff inside. The only thing, okay, because you know she likes a chain bag, a chain strap I should say. I wish it would have had a chain strap. It does not. It comes with this leather one. So I did see that they did have some chain straps mixed in with this, and I was asking my essay, like, do you think I should just buy one of those and put on it? And he was like, the reason why they didn't put the chain is because it will scratch up against the metal here, and it could make the bag, you know, look kind of, you know, and we didn't pay that much money to have the bag look sus, so it's not going down. I will keep this on. It's super cute. A lot of times I'm just gonna carry it as a little clutch. I cannot wait to play with it and style it and wear it, and my heart's still beating fast. I still have butterflies. I'm fluttering. It's hot. I need some water. You guys forgive me. I'm excited, okay? If you're watching this video, I already know that you could probably relate, because we just get excited about our bags. So not a whole lot of detail I can tell you about it, other than it's beautiful and I love it. And OMG, okay? This is what the side looks like. Okay, this is what the back looks like. I will be back to do a complete overall of the bag. You know I'm gonna give you complete details, everything like that. And this is what the front looks like. And it just has this little cute magnetic thing, and the bag opens like this, and it just has some paper in there or what have you, a care booklet, I'm sure. And it makes me happy. Hello. And I'm so grateful. Oh my god, how long is this video gonna be? You guys, grab a snack. Intermission, everybody grab a snack. I'm gonna put this right over here. Grab a snack. I have 2.5 seconds. You guys, don't worry. I'm getting the second box. I want to say this. There was a time that oh god, here she goes with the waterworks. Yes, you guys, I am a crier, okay? My essay gave me, oh my god, Cheraye, you have got to learn how to focus. I can't. My essay gave me this beautiful card. He filled it out inside and everything. It looks like that. But she can't read it. Why? Because when I read it, I started crying. So I just want you to know that Louis Vuitton's customer service, I shop at the one here in Beverly Hills on Rodale, is absolutely amazing. It is superb. If you're ever looking for an essay and they're a client advisor, ask for Wyatt, ask for Yasmin, ask for Oshan, ask for, you can't go wrong. The store is just impeccable with their customer service and how they treat you and how they, you know, they make you feel when you go inside. And that's why I keep going back, because I like how they make me feel, and I'm really starting to fall in love with Louis Vuitton. So here, you guys, but what I was getting ready to say before I lost my own train of thought is that there was a time in my life where luxury was not on the forefront for me. I've always liked it, okay? I've always been a girl that liked really nice things. I've always been the girl, hold on, let me make sure my shirt's up. I've always been the girl that wanted the best, you know. I've always looked at it. I would go through the magazines. I would, you know, wish for it. And, you know, it's always been like, if you had, what do they call it? Like a, oh my God, those boards, you know, like a wish list. I've always had a wish list, but we weren't always able to afford it. And there was a time in my life where I needed gas money, I needed bill money, I needed to know where the rent money was gonna come from, not the mortgage money, the rent money, okay? I needed to know all that stuff and I didn't know how, but God has always provided and he's always made a way. So, oh my gosh, give me a second, 2.5. This is never, you know, like, oh, look what I got. If anything, I want this to be, okay. I just want this to be, if I could do it, you could do it. You know what I mean? So many of us, you know, I met some amazing ladies on YouTube as well as Instagram, and we all have like similar stories where nothing was given. It was with hard work. It was through determination, discipline, saving. You know how it goes, but I just want you to always know that this didn't just happen. You know what I mean? And this hasn't always been. So if you're sitting and you're looking and you're like, oh my God, you know, just know that, you know, if it's not already you, keep doing what I was doing, and that was just hoping, praying, believing, working hard, being disciplined, saving your money, you know, making different changes in your life so that you can get everything that you want, because it's out there for us, and if you want it, you know, go after it and you can get it. Okay, I'm done with the PBS special. Okay, so moving on, you guys, here's the next box. I gotta sit this down. Thank God I work out because my arms were getting tired. This is gonna be a long video. So here's this. How does this open? Oh, it's my first pair. I've never had a pair of shoes from here. Oh God, I just told you what it is. You still don't know which ones though. I've never had a pair of shoes from Louis Vuitton, I don't think. No, I haven't. So the box slides out like this. Okay, it's huge. And oh, I'm gonna get so much, no, I'm gonna keep them stored in here. Box looks like that, and it just slides out like a drawer. It's got this cute little tab on it. And you wanna take a guess of what they are? You already know. I showed these to you guys back, but I never wore them. I just have this stuff and I needed to unbox it. It's like I need to go through my closet and unbox the stuff that I have, but I wasn't wearing it, so I just didn't do it. But ta-da! These are them. How cute are these gonna be with my bag? Oh my God. Bring it together, girl. But yes, these are them. Again, for me, these are classic. This is always gonna match my style. I'm always in cream, white, beige, taupe, black, so I know this is gonna go with it. And when I seen the gold detail on the what are those called, shoelaces, I just said yes, absolutely. And the heel height, and they made my legs look a little thinner too, and I look tall because I'm short, you know, I'm only 5'2", so this gave me height and length and added a little bit to my legs. I was like, oh yeah, she's a winner. This is a keeper. So this is what I got, you guys. This actually goes with my bag. I cannot wait. Okay, all summer I'm gonna be dripping, glowing, shining, and these hairpins, I can't get enough of them. They're so cute. I ordered these off Amazon. Anyways, you guys, these are the shoes. What are they called? You know, I'll make up something. I think they're called the Trailblazers. I buy what I like. I don't always know the name. I thought long and hard. I did my research on it. I watched the trend. I watched the wave. I watched how you can style them. I walked in. I'm like, which shoes do I want? I have another pair on my wish list, but I'll get into those later. But yeah, this is it. So that is it. I'm gonna do another. I'll be back to show you the Gucci. I've already taken way too long, you guys. That's it. I am going to wear everything, utilize everything. I will be back to give a wear test. I will be back to give a review. I will be back to give a what's in my bag. I will be back to give a complete update on everything. I'm just super excited, you guys. I appreciate you taking the time to stop by to watch my videos. If this was your first time and you're new to the channel, or even if you've been coming to the channel, you don't really know if you're subscribed, take 2.5 seconds, look down at that thing right there. It should be red. If you're not subscribed, click it, make it gray so that you're subscribed. And if you want to make sure you never miss a video, smash the bell. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a huge thumbs up. Do me a favor, give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs up, give it a... I am Cheraye. It has been real. On this channel, like I said, I do cover fashion, beauty, luxury, and lifestyle, fitness as well. So if you're into any of those things or all of those things, make sure you smash that subscribe button. I do a huge fragrance on the channel as well. Every Wednesday we cover fragrance, so if you love fragrances, this is the channel for you as well. So many reasons to click that bell, guys, and to hit that subscribe button. I have enjoyed you all being here with me for this unboxing. I think of you guys as friends. It's like a lot of people in my real life will never get it, don't understand it. They couldn't even possibly go there with me. They're just like, girl, it's a bag. Like, what's tea? What are you thinking? you guys get it, and that's why I love watching these. These are some of my favorite videos to watch. What's in my bag, you know, unboxing videos, everything like that. Until next time, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, and definitely stay fabulous. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.